What's up, everybody? We had another request for a van tour. We made some modifications to the van, so we're going to take you through a really quick van tour. We're going to start up front. We got microfibers, more microfibers. We got a lot of microfibers in this truck. We keep our repair mat up here. Here is our repair kit. This bag totes all of our electronics, our GoPros, our tablet for recalibration. Everything goes up here. I just got a new broom. I got to move that to the back. But yeah, so all electronical stuff stays up here. Also, we keep our glue up here, especially in the wintertime. It's a little cooler outside, so we keep that up here as well. But we have it plugged up in the house, keeping it warm and toasty for us for Monday. We also have CarCal targets behind the driver's seat, as well as a banner and jump starter, and then another stand for holding our phone to record. And in here we keep our water bottles. All of our setting tools are going to be right about here. We have the Pro Stick, the Quick Set, and the Pro Set. It's a little dark in here, you can't really see anything, but we'll open that door up here in a second and show you. And the top of the toolbox, we keep our melamines in here. We got batteries in here. Look, more microfibers. These are our pinch weld cleaning microfibers, and these are our glass cleaning microfibers. We like to keep them separate. We keep all of our daily scrapers in here. We got our bits in here. WRD cups. We actually got an extra one right here. Paper towels. GT Tools cups with the super pumps. Our leveling tool for rain sensors from Marcy. All of our sockets, primer, extra glass weld tools, batteries for the CarCal, stuff like that will be over here. Here we have our ratchets, our power ratchet, wrenches, extra bolts and nuts and screws, extra sockets, handhelds, little itty bitty guys, razor blades. In here we keep our cold knives. Ain't got a whole lot going on in this drawer, and our wires, our fiber lines go up here as well. And here's all of our pliers, extra barrels, hammers, stuff like that. This is the extractor drawer. All of the extractors, glass weld, ambush, glass rebel, ambush, more glass rebel, and then we just have a right angle impact for those pesky little ram power sliders. Over here we have extra scrapers, cutters, molding cutters, pick tools, steel wire, sharpeners, pens, stuff like that. This is our handheld tool for all of our hook tools, panel tools, rearview mirror tools, Allen wrenches, extra long pick tools. This is kind of like the junk drawer. We keep our drill bits, tape measure, sandpaper, extra batteries, pumps, stuff like that over here. And this is our WRD drawer. We have the vise and the bat, everything associated with those two. Over here we have our guards and extra daubers, and then around the toolbox is where we keep all of our chemicals, WD-40, silicone, release all, more silicone, glass cleaner, etc. We have an inverter that connects to a battery over there. Back here we have all of our CarCal targets. We have a tent, trash can, crash wrap, blower, gloves, tape, chargers, manual caulk guns, say hey to Sasquatch, moldings for the universals, and then we have a bucket of wipers over there. Right here we have the CarCal and double-sided tape. We keep our bucket of scrubs right there. And on back we keep red Scotch-Brite, green Scotch-Brite, and that stuff. Over here is plastic glue, extra clips, all the day-to-day nonsense, rearview mirror glues over here. We got our iron hide pockets. We keep a Milwaukee glue gun. This is for our butyl and our cartridge. And then we have our Power Push 6000 from Mary Tool. This is our urethane gun. We also carry 2 vacuum cleaners. This one is for pinch weld cleaning. This one is for door glass cleaning. Then of course we have our iron hide exterior covers and interior covers, plus our apron and cut resistant sleeves. We have the dragon skin. There's our Pro Set. CarCal is right there, nice and convenient to get to. We got an extra little box of clips from Amazon. They don't really fit anything, but they're handy in a pinch. More paper towels. We keep daubers in this little toolbox right here. Over here we have a tilt bin storage for Milwaukee pack out. Keeps our primer sticks, popsicle sticks, extra cold knife blades, rain sensor gel pads, and then back here we have our clip kit and all of our extra clips we need every day. Extra drills up here, ropes for roping, vacuum accessories. We got a little hammer right there. We also have a boom, and then that's pretty much it over here. That's just about all we got. We got our rivet breaker thingamajig over there. So that's the carriage, or whatever you want to call it, of Reno Auto Glass. The glass man cometh. Hope this helps. This is a 2023 Ram ProMaster. Low roof. We do not have the high roof. We have the low roof. We love it. It's great. Very dependable. And this is a 42-inch US General from Harbor Freight. So, hope that helps somebody. Give you a little inspiration. We'll see y'all next time.